So, ayun. Hi, good morning. So, today is Sunday and it's laundry time. So, habang naglalaba ako, kanina, paglabas ko, nakita ko, medyo malalaki na yung mga rubber plant ko. So, magmamarko tayo today habang naglalaba. But before that, we need to ensure na ang kutsilyo or blade or na ato ang gamiton is hait siya. So, magbait sa takarot ato sa bairon para unya magamit nato is dili ta maglisod. Okay, dili ta maglisod og panit og pagkiskis sa iyahang branches. So, sa iyang punuan. Ang akong ginagamit is blade ni siya. Actually guys, hani siya blade. Nabili ni siya sa tao atong nag-install last 2 years ago. Mura ni siya o katong naglagari good gagamay. Pero dili ni mo siya mahalata ang lagari natin. Sa sige na ko bait, every time nagamito na ako, nawala na dito yung ipon. So inanin na siya. So, haikay niya siya. Every time na gamitin ako niya siya, nagabait ko. Nagabait ko before and after na ko siya gamitin. Kaya pag dili mo siya bairo, magtaya din siya. Duhait gyapon siya magtaya, pero gabait jud ko. Hinay-hinay lang kay isud na masamad ta. Even ang gunting, ginabait na ko siya kay usahay pag manggod, pag mag-cut ka og mga scotch tape or mga katong tape, di ba madikit yan siya. So dumidikit siya. So kahit anong linis mo, pag gamitin mo na siya, dumidikit. So nahihirapan ka. So ang ginagawa ko, ginabait lang na ko siya para matanggal yung ang nagadikit good, okay? So, ang gunting ginagamit ko, pangtutol na ito, tie good, twist tie, kasi tawag ganyan. Tie twist. Pero pwede rin pag mo ang gamiton, tie box, anything na pantali, pwede yun siya.
It was easy to get in the ditch, but it was hard to get out. Sometimes in our minds, we're in a ditch. Or are they guilt-ridden, can't do it?
Basig mo tingala mo ba na isigigyaw-yaw? Ganahan mo ko maminaw mga podcast. So ako ang podcast na ginapaminawan karon is kay Joel Austin. So sorry sa YouTube, kahit ano na lang. Kailangan careful lang dito magbait kay usahay manggod, pwede siya makaslide, lalo na kay gamay siya. Pero sanay na manggod ko kay tawag bakit ka nagsikig baid? So, careful lang, careful. Tapos na, hindi na po ako binabutang para anytime na ko maano magamit. So, karon ang akong buhaton is magkuha ko og aloe vera. Mao akong ginagamit serve as root hormone para paspas mo gawas ang tubo o magawas ang ugat. Okay?
Any strongholds that are keeping you, but your heart's so full. You're like, that was amazing. Today was great. And you feel fulfilled. Like after a really good workout, you're like, oh man, that was really tough, and I'm glad that I did. A bad exhaustion would be like you come home exhausted,
aloe vera,
you're dragging, you're tired.
And then, mo ni ato ang isagol sa instead na lupa or anong tawag doon? Yung lumot. Ang ginagamit ko is cockpit. So, pwede gihapon siya uga na cockpit. Pero kasi ito, medyo na siya, lanta, tsaka basa.
And a lot of people want to build a business, but they're like, oh, but it just takes so much energy to build a business. I'm like, yeah.
Nagkuha lang ko kutsara para mas dali.
Years ago, when I worked somewhere I didn't want to, I felt completely out of alignment. and I started feeling anxious and depressed and sad, the longer that I stayed out of alignment, I realized like when we're in sync with our purpose, our actions feel more effortless, and we're invigorated by the tasks that we have to do. Like even for me last night, I was running a workshop last.
So,
What are you
na
really
ko siya.
interested
I'm
in
done.
learning more about
Ito na siya.
or trying to do? I think that if you find something that you kind of done, but you
Ang
don't
kani
know
siya,
what
dili
it
natin
is,
siya
you're
pwede
really
inabay.
interested in learning more
Kaya
about
himo na to siyang abono. So, akong
that might
ginabuhat.
be a little bit of a pull into the direction of where you should go. And so I want you to understand, because then you
Gusto
start
na to
doing these things and time
gagmay-gagmay.
flies whenever you're doing them. You
Or pwede
get
naman
lost in these
diretso na.
activities.
Pero,
You know, the reason why you get lost in those activities is
Gupitan lang
because the
natin.
energy is there. You don't have to come up with the energy. The universe is giving you that. Today's guest
Then,
is someone
what's
I've known
next
quite a few years now. We
is-
share a bit about our background and story of how we got
Ate
to
na
know each
siyang-
other. I'm speaking about Megan Roxanne,
Butang na
first
padili.
generation British Trinidadian entrepreneur, author, speaker,
Mas okay
and
pag
the
ganito
inspirational
siya,
force
kasi-
behind the renowned platform, The Good Quote. The
Ibabalik
new
mo lang
book
siya,
is
i-wrap
out
mo
right
lang ng
now. It's
ganito.
called How to
Kesa
Stop
yung
Breaking
buhaghag.
Your Heart. You'll see a little testimonial here from me because I think this book is going to surpass them. Please welcome to On Purpose, Megan
Actually,
Roxanne.
pwede na
Megan, it's so
ganito eh.
great
Direct
to
na na.
finally have you here. This is awesome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Kasi may
Jay.
moist
Thank
naman
you.
siya.
It's great to be
Basa-basa
here.
naman
I was
siya.
so happy when you told me you were writing a book.
Pero mas
And
maganda
you
kasi
said,
may
you
aloe
know,
vera.
can you read
Kasi
it, share a testimonial for it, because I know
mas
how
mabilis yung tubo ng
challenging
ano,
this journey's
ng
been for you
ugat.
for putting yourself out there. I mean,
Pero
you
di na bang
built
nabibiling mga growth
the most
hormone?
motivational page on social
Wala
media
kayong aloe
without
vera.
doubt.
Depende
The
pa rin
Good
yun sa inyo.
Quote. And the amount of impact that it's had, how it shifted the culture of what people are doing on social media. It's had so I'm so grateful for that initial
So, tingnan nyo, medyo
connection and
moist.
collaboration we had because
Look.
it was so important to me and the beginning of my journey. And
So,
I know
this
it's
is
not
enough
really helped so many people.
already.
So,
So,
anyway,
we
my
are now
first question
ready.
is,
So,
does it
ito kailangan
feel
natin.
when at 4 years old
Kutsilyo.
you hear from a grandparent that they don't love you?
Oh, wow.
That's how you start the book.
Kunting.
Yeah.
Para
Okay, so that was the first
Dito.
time I ever felt the
Sa
impact
pantali
of
natin.
words physically. I didn't know that
And,
words can hurt you. I
this
didn't
one is
even know
stretch
it was
wrap.
internal pain. I was only 4.
Pwede
And I was
cellophane.
used to getting
Ini
a little
cellophane
slap
na
behind the back of the
magamit.
leg if I
Ito
did
pwede.
something
Pwede
naughty,
kahit ano.
but
Actually,
to be
natuto
told,
ako
especially when my entire
Marco
reality was based
when
on
I was
love.
in high school.
I had a
Second
really great
year
home growing up.
high school.
So to be told that
Yeah,
was really
meron sa TLE natin,
difficult to
diba? Lalo yung mga
comprehend.
90s.
But
Ewan ko wala kayo
physical
kung
pain of my chest, my
hindi mo
heart,
pa ba?
it
Pero
literally felt like somebody was trying to split
sa
it.
panahon natin,
And I will never forget that
80s
pain
and
because it was the first time I've
diba?
ever
Ginagawa
felt it.
natin to.
And when I explained to my mother what happened and I described
Pero
the pain,
depende kasi kung ano,
it's almost like she knew, okay, my family's
kung
got
saan
her now.
nga
It was a
kailin
good
yung
4 years.
kakilahit, di ba na
But
siya na
she didn't ever
ay
want me to
cooking,
experience that, and I did.
na ay
And
beautification,
if I'm being honest
na
with
ay
you, it really
electrical,
took away a
merong
lot of my innocence
agricultural,
as well. I was robbed
agriculture,
of
blah
innocence
blah,
during that
pero
time.
din
I don't
tahi-tahi.
think children should know what it's like to be hurt
So,
or spoken to badly or have to
Okay.
okay. themselves at night time or sitting on the sofa waiting for their parents to come
Ready
home.
na tayo.
Feeling
Di
sad.
pa tayo
It's
dun
not
sa
an emotion
front.
that a child should have to feel. The reason why we do heal, obviously for our own harmony, but I don't pass it on. And I think that's what my mother was trying to teach me behind the importance of forgiveness, is to put a final stop to it so that you can move on and live your life. But you have to forgive. Because I had so much anger in my heart for my grandfather. But then when I saw him, enforcement came
Magpapun na
very
po
quickly.
dadaan.
There was one day where
Cellophane
I
na
got
itong
him
gamiton. So,
also,
sa kataas,
a lot
enough lang na
system where if you
pwede na to
did,
ituyok.
steps, you know,
So,
and
this
give him that,
one,
we'll give him some
I think that's enough.
Guinness, so I bought him a bottle of
What's
Guinness.
good
So he kind of threw it at me.
nga kani ang ato ang ginagamit ng stretch wrap kay
And I said, actually, what I'm
kanang
gonna
ma-stretch
do
mong good siya, dili siya dali magisi.
right there, and you can put it in the fridge
Okay.
yourself. I mean, like, everything that I usually
Pagkatagtay,
get him to do every
ambot
day,
kung
he did it all in one
tama
day.
naman siguro
And,
ni,
you know,
pero
he
mga
apologized and sat down and we had a
dalawang
conversation.
makadalawang
I said
di
to
pa
him,
eh.
moving forward, this is
Wait.
not happening because I'm not going to care for you and deplete my
Yan akong
energy
ginagamit
at the
kay
same
pwede
time.
man gud ako
That's
siya
insane.
ma-recycle.
But I watched my mother do that. So throughout this entire process, I just learned that my no is my no, my yes is my yes.
Ayun.
If I don't like something, I tell the person. I don't feel bad about telling the person because
Let's
what's
cut
the
this
other option? Thankful for my devotion to care
doon
for
kayo
them.
mag,
They will ensure that the environment is
mag-cut
healthy and
sa
safe.
kanang portion
And
na
that was
green-green
the case. If
pa.
it wasn't,
Kaya para
I
dili
would
na
have
siya
thought
gani.
like, pay the NHS staff to look after him and check
Ang ayaw ko lang dito yung dagta
because
niya.
I have to put
Kasi
myself
sobrang
first.
madikit.
And I learned that with my mother's story as well.
Yeah, I hope that's really
I
refreshing for
think
people
it's
to hear
here.
because I feel
Actually,
like
brown
when we
na
think of
ni Billy.
forgiveness, we think of it as like this
Green.
fully all-encompassing thing where there's no boundaries, you just give in, and to hear
After
that
2 weeks,
clarity,
usually 2
because I
weeks,
found
na pa na
that
siya
when we don't set
mugawas
boundaries,
nga
when we don't realize
kanang
we
naana siya
keep
mugawas
enabling
nga
that
ugat
person
pero gamay pa.
to behave
Pero
that
in 3
way,
weeks,
and we become
dito na jud
enablers.
siya
We think
manggawas
we're
ang mga
helping
ugat.
them, but actually
So,
we're hurting them.
Yeah.
And the only one we're helping is ourselves because we feel better about ourselves for a second. We're like, oh, I'm so tolerant and I did everything just perfectly for them. But then what we don't realize is we're just continuing that behavior.
Yeah.
One thing I've discovered really hearing
Usahay
from
gani,
everything you're
ako
saying
yun what,
is that
kinagaputol ko.
there's
Ginakat na ako ng
three
isa
types
ka
of people
ano.
in life.
Pag
The first is
mag-lisod
someone
ko,
who
ginakat,
repeats the
ginaputol
pain
ako
they
ng isa
saw.
ka dahon.
The second is someone who does the opposite of the pain they saw. And the third is someone who heals from that pain and gives people what they never
Ayaw
had.
ko.
And creates a space for people to have the life that they
Do I
never
need to
got the
get tissue?
opportunity to
Yes,
have.
I think so.
And
We
it
need
sounds like you
tissue.
chose that third option.
Enforcing your boundaries.
Kuhaon na to itong dandog na part. Part na kailangan na to sa tissue.
Put that love into yourself. Put that
Kaya
devotion
pag
and
dili
that
niyo
time and
kuhaon,
energy into
maumangod to
yourself.
ang
Why are you so
nag-transport
scared to do
of
that? Because you'll find a lot of
nutrients
people who people please.
sa
They don't actually
from
have great relationships
baba.
with themselves.
So,
That energy is great. Just
mabuhi
bring it
gihapon
back
siya.
to yourself. You know,
Yeah.
we need to
first.
ensure
Similar to when
na
you're on an airplane, you have to put the
Takis-kis
mask
na
on
to,
first
paro.
before you help other people. It's very similar.
Yeah, well said. I could agree with you more. It wasn't stressful, but then you have to also meet me there and
Yes.
bring your energy in, and
Yes.
then I have to meet you there. And so I feel like people will constantly meet you where you're at, or they'll force you to meet you where they're at.
Yeah.
And it's your choice to decide whether you want to rise or fall. I want to dive into your journey a little bit because it feels like you got introduced to needing an emotional vocabulary very young in your life.
Mm-hmm.
And when I was reading your book, I was like, this is someone who, the good quote isn't a page with good quotes just because you're a good writer, it's because you've had to live that. It's lived experience that is now coming out in the form of good quotes. And I often think about that with me too, and I align with that, that what I share today is stuff that I've lived, it's experienced, it's pain, it's stress. It's a great form of self-care.
mas maganda na clear yung gamitin na plastic, pambalot. Kasi nakikita mo talaga yung ugat.
Or goes with you on a walk
Okay.
to clear your mind. Stay Calm is there to help you feel supported. It grounds you, expands you,
So,
and
that's
connects you to
it.
something deeper.
That's the
why
first
I'm always
one.
looking for experiences that go beyond the typical. Chase Sapphire Reserve makes traveling a breeze, earning 3 times points on travel and dining, and granting access to Sapphire Lounge by the club at select airports nationwide. No matter my destination, travel
Okay.
is more rewarding
Then,
with Chase Sapphire
check
Reserve.
natin after 3 weeks.
Discover more with
Bye!
Chase Sapphire Reserve at Chase